Guys, it's me, the Chubby Bunny, and you might know me because I'm gonna have give away my stuff. Yeah, trusted me, guys. Today I'm gonna do the Skid Alpha Squishy School. This is inspired by. We are rolled up roads. Da 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 da. Done. It's I forgot the name. Oreo the Cat. And Oreo the Cat, I'm a big fan of you, and I will subscribe you. And actually, I'm gonna have a. By the way, guys, I'm gonna have a giveaway because I know it's only 4 subscribers, but I'm still really happy with you guys. So yeah, if there's no views, I'm gonna have views because but guys, trust me, guys, I'm not gonna have a thing because I'm gonna have a giveaway myself and giveaway squishy. So because for the 3 days, my cousins, one cousin 3, one cousin 4. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days without me. But you can see me in the video. And this is not a break. So let's get started. And the Squishy School Day 1. If you steal my money again, I will take you in the fire school. Do you want it? No. Okay. If you're nice, I'm gonna give you to a squishy school. I want to a squishy school. And yeah, I'm gonna give you all my $5, and I only have $1. And here's your money. So I still have a lot of $1 million here. So this is all your money. It's actually real money. So yeah, this is all your money if you want to. Oh, says to okay, I will go to the Squishy School. Thanks. Let me tell you again. Yes, guys, I'm gonna go to the Squishy School. Squishy School. Let's pack my bag. 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 This is my bag, and sorry the bag. I'm gonna steal my. This is money again. Shush. Yay! I stole my sister's money again. Yeah, I'm supposed to bring a squishy. Not the squishy. This defected one. So I'm gonna go here. Minion cake roll. go to Squishy Little. Really get everything here. Ooh, I need one more squishies. And that is this thing. So let's go to Squishy School. So I'm guessing this is Squishy School. This is Squishy School. Oh, let's have a lot of squishy here. Hello, honey. Hello, honey, and Squishy goes over there, honey. Honey. We got $1 million each. Okay. Oh, $1 million. I'm squishing my ear. Squishied. I cannot. Oh. I'm losing my money. Guys, I'm losing my money. You have a lot of money because I have. I don't have money. What? I have to my squishies. Like, stick with my squishies. Yes. I'm gonna have some squishies. Which one got this? This is yellow. So this is gonna be my room. Oh, super terrible. Okay, then. I'm not found in this room with super thin. Yeah. What about there? No. Look at the student. Can I please? Hold. Yes. Let's go, guys. And really, guys. We're doing it right now. Oh, dear, somebody hang up your squishies too. She's wearing a bandeau that's so cute, and look at this. She has the same squishy, like she has the same I'm really rich and I'm really rich. Really rich. And yeah, if you want my money, just no, thank you. Oh, by the way, this is super slow ride.
Udah enak kan?
Super slow riding, but we're just there.
Masuk penyembuhan dia masuk rumah sakit. Pas lagi sakit badan, dingin ya kan? Dia
Mom.
di rumah. Iya, sehari aja 10 juta lebih.
This is super slow riding, and by the way, I can tell it about. Oh, in the future, later,
Belum bikin.
you have a good day ever. You have the best day ever, and I have the best day ever. So we're gonna be BFFs too. We're gonna be BFFs.
Kalau nikmat kan? Pasti laki lu lagi.
Yeah. By the way,
Tadi udah dateng ya itunya
thanks
ya.
for trying me, but I
Ini
have
kata
to
lu mau
hold
kasih
it
tumbler, tumbler apa?
Good night, squishies. I'm gonna hang up my fence first. Oh, by the way, 4G. I don't have and 4G. Oh, by the way, 4G. I don't have anything. You have.
Tadi cuma makan itu doang.
We're nothing. Like, we're nothing.
Rangin guys ya kan?
Here, you can have this. But it's a fortune. I want to keep it
Gua nggak diundang.
until
Gua nggak diundang nih
5
pemberkatan.
minutes. You can. Bring it up.
Ya gua dateng lah.
Okay?
Gila kali. Itu acara penting kali.
Here we go.
Gua nggak
Oh,
dapet.
there's some problem. Yeah. So we go.
Males gua balik. Gua nggak mau.
It's a fortune.
Iya, lu suruh rumah gua nggak mau. Nginep juga.
Oh, by the way, it's squishy.
Rumah Yuli terus lu. Lu kasih Bu. Lu kasih laki lu Bu.
Ini ya,
Iya, tapi laki lu ikut-ikutan.
I
Takut.
see in future.
Takut Bu.
We're having the best day ever, and oh my god, I get 108 plus in the squishy. Thank you so much. I need to get this sleeping.
Bul, kalau bisa
Bye.
lu tuh belagu banget ya Bul ya.
Catch you later. So now I'm going to sleep. This is super slow. Come on, squishy. Night, night. Sleep tighty. Hey guys, and sorry this video is gonna be super long. I was not expecting this video super long, and yeah, so check it, Juba Juba.